I felt a sneeze coming on, so I got my camera in time. It's been a long time since I caught a sneeze on camera. Got the Christmas tree up. I won't talk. I'll just sneeze, okay. There's more coming. Has it finished? No, it's not finished. Normally when I do a loud one, it's finished. But it's not finished. Well, that was a loud one. Maybe I finished. Oh my. Oh, that's 3 hard ones. Have I finished? No, it's still there. My stomach is. Oh, that's 4 hard ones. Have I finished? I can still feel butterflies in my stomach. Like it's gonna start again. No, it's finished. Anyway, folks, guys, people, I'd like to thank all my viewers, my subscribers too, for putting up with my sneezes and for watching my videos. And hope you all have a great Christmas and a great New Year. Don't drink too much, causes too many fights. And if you feel there's a fight gonna come on, just stay out of it. Don't get involved, because at the end of the day, you will get the blame. Thanks for watching, folks. Love you all. Great Christmas, great New Year. 2008 is coming on. Oh, and don't forget, 21st of December is the shortest day of the year. Love you all. Bye.